Good morning. We've had a norther come in. It started yesterday afternoon, I think. Oh my goodness, did it ever rain hard. The trees were blowing so hard. Fortunately, we were home. We were safe. We were all up in the hangout. Mike was down in the kitchen for a while. We texted each other to be sure everything was okay. But it rained hard and fast. And so I can hear the waves rolling, and I'm hard of hearing. So if I can hear that now, I can't imagine what it's like down there. So I'm going to take Brownie and Stripe. We're going to take a quick walk down, take a quick walk around, and I want to show you. And we may not stay for long, because if it's scary to me to have them running around, then we're coming back. I'll wait for Mike, okay? So let's just go check it out real quick and see what it's like. Well, we're on our way. I'll tell you one thing, it's windy. We'll see you out there. Wow. I've really got to watch where I'm walking too. I'm always barefoot. I never, ever can wear shoes down here. I never have been able to wear shoes on a beach. Anyways, I might regret that someday. Look at all of the stuff that's rolled up. I don't know if you can see it in this picture, but I mean, it is nasty. We won't be picking it up today. It's much too windy for that, but the sun's trying to peek through. Look at that. It's trying its best to burn those clouds off. Show us its stuff. For now, I think we're going to turn to the west. And we'll walk into the wind. So this must be like a northwest wind, I'm going to guess. That's what it feels like. Walk a little bit here. I don't want to get surprised by big waves coming up and hitting me, but this seems to be okay right here. I don't know if you can see those pups way down there, but they are having a good time sniffing out everything. I mean, I'm really zooming this in. They're pretty far out. I might call them back. Brownie's looking. I mean, this doesn't scare me, but I don't want any dogs in the water. I understand the power of water, and I don't think they do. Man, there's so much stuff that has blown up on the shoreline. Look at this mess. This is curious. Wow. Let me get a look at this. That's interesting. I'll be sure to have Mike take a look at that one. This is going to be a mess to clean up, but I guess that's what we do. That's our contribution. Everybody, I suppose, has a reason for being, and if all ours is to pick up our beach, then I guess we're serving our purpose here. on, you guys stay out of this stuff. These right, leave it. So this is what we as human beings have done to our Earth. This is only such a small portion. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna take this out. I think I see another one maybe like it. I'll show these to Mr. Mike in a little bit and see what he thinks about them. They're probably just for fishing, but I get a little suspicious of the baggies. Here's the other one. And here's all the rope. That is so dangerous to our marine life. Well, I think we're going to probably head back in. Big bird up there. It's been a nice little walk. I get discouraged when I look at all the trash. It's not because just on this beach, it's because I know it's just a little tiny piece of a really huge problem on our Earth. And I'm not an activist. I just love nature, and I know most of you watching this video are the same. You love nature, and this kind of thing just makes your heart hurt. So we all join together and we do what we can, and we keep looking at the beautiful things, keep our hearts happy. And I'm going to see you in just a little bit. Oh, we're here. A little after 7 in the morning. Man, we got white caps out there. Oh, wow. I'll turn this around so you can look. Look at that. Wow, what a mighty sea, huh? Those are some big waves. I mean, if you can see out to the reef, let me see if I can bring this thing closer. See that white line out there where those waves are hitting? It's hitting the reef, bouncing off the reef, coming over it. Then that's what we're hearing up at the house. Like it's crashing on the reef. Look at that out there. And it gets some momentum as it travels into the shore. So that's not as close as it looks. I have it brought in quite a bit. Let me get it back to how it. This is where it looks from where I'm standing right now. You can see how hard the wind's blowing by the palm trees. You got a couple of buzzards up there. They're thinking there's some dead meat down here. Boy, are they wrong, huh? Oh, that's funny. Yeah, you can see how hard the wind's blowing. That's a westerly wind. We're panning toward the east now. If I can see. Being blinded by the sun. There we are.